In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cab door seals on your Ford F-150 located behind the front doors. With both doors open, I'm going to go ahead and we want to remove our sill plate. Starts up at the front side here, runs all the way back to the back passenger area. I'm going to use my trim tool to go ahead and get underneath. And we want to start to release the retainers holding this. Once that's popped up, you can go ahead and put your hands underneath and gently lift up, working your way across the whole front. Good, remove that and set it aside. Now before you tear out the old seal, you want to take note, in this area here, the seal itself has a notch in it. So it's going to have the seal coming around the perimeter. It's going to stop, it goes narrow, and it's going to go narrow all the way across to the front section where the seal actually widens out again. So you want to take note of that before installing the new part. Now we want to go ahead and grab our seal, and we're going to pull it up off of the pinch weld. Now sometimes it's hard to peel up. I like to use a pick, get up underneath, and start to pull this up and off. I'm going to pull this up, and you're just pulling it off of the pinch weld here, and you're going to do this working your way around. I'm going to do this around the perimeter of the door. Now coming on the back side, I'm going to pull this off. Going to work our way down around the front. Now here we have our replacement seal. Now there's a groove right here that presses onto the pinch weld, onto the cab or the body of the vehicle. You're going to flip this over and make sure that the soft, spongy part is facing out towards the door. And this section right here has a notch in it, just like we discussed. So you want to go ahead and line this up. Start to press that down and bring that seal on the outside. I'm going to continue working the seal up and around the perimeter and keeping that flap on the interior trim. Now seals are not glued in place. These are a pressure fit. Make sure they go tight up into the corners. Now I'm just going to continue working across the front. Once again, making sure it's nice and tight in the corners. I'm just going to work our way back around the entire perimeter, making sure everything is fully seated. Now sometimes the gaskets will come a tiny bit longer. That's why you want to double check and make sure that that seal is nice and tight into all of those curves and corners. If yours is a little bit longer, you do want to go ahead and snip it. This does have a little bit of a metal insert, so you make sure you use the proper tool to do this. Now after you've trimmed it up, this is the process. Instead of just trying to jam it down, you peel up the seal, feed that down into it, push it in, and then work this down and roll it right into it. Let's now install our sill plate. When installing the sill plate, make sure you line up all of your tabs with these slots. It'll almost fall right into place. And press it down. Work your way all the way to the back. Now, if you need to repeat this process, go ahead and do it for that passenger side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.